Want to quickly check all your trading accounts in one place? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to access your account overview inside the Opofinance client area where all your active accounts are listed overly together. Let's walk through it. Start by heading to Opofinance website and logging into your user panel. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Accounts. Then click Account Overview. That's it. Right here, you'll see a list of all your trading accounts, whether it's Standard, ECN, Pro, or any of them, all neatly organized. You can also take further actions like checking balance, updating settings, or even activating features right from this page. And that's how easy to view all your trading accounts in one spot with Opofinance. If this video helped, like and subscribe. If you had any questions, write down in the comments, and thank you till the next video.